In this video, we will show you how to use Lumen 5 in mobile. If you guys want to get started with Lumen 5, you can use the links down in the description. First, navigate to the Lumen 5 website on your browser. You can scroll down to visit the whole website. It'll show you different features of the website as well as pricing. Now go to the Google Play Store app on your mobile phone. Here you'll search for the Lumen 5 app and you can download the app. If you don't want to download the app, simply sign up on the website. After that, you'll enter your full name, work email, and password. Then tap on the Create Account button to create your account. In the next step, you can choose how to get started and select any option. For demonstration, I've selected the text on media option. Now you can add the topic of the video and add the script in the given boxes. You'll see all the options like all videos and instant videos on the left side to use them. So that's how to use Lumen 5 in mobile. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Lumen 5. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.